The week after Christmas, I received a notice from my mortgage company. They were about to foreclose on my house. I called my provider law firm and I told them what was happening to me. They helped me understand my rights and what my options were. With their advice and counsel, I was not only able to prevent foreclosure, but also refinance my home, all by the end of January.
While we can't stop you from getting a foreclosure notice, we can help you with the housekeeping. Legal Shield. Total access, total freedom.